Hey, it's Andy O'Brien again. Welcome back into the AI Copy Lab. I'm in the I'm doing a little whiteboard action here today. So you're looking at the whiteboard right now, but what we're going to do is tell ChatGPT to stop using certain phrases because we see them everywhere, and I'm going to show you what I mean. So we're going to say in the follow-up prompt, we're going to ask ChatGPT to stop using certain phrases like take it to the next level, revolutionize, or revolutionary, or say goodbye to this and say hello to this. How often have you seen this in AI copy? All you have to do is take a look at some copy out there, and you will see certain phrases that just don't resonate with you as a human. Like anything going to the next level. ChatGPT loves to use that phrase. See if you can think of some other phrases. What other things can we look familiar in terms of ChatGPT giving you things that you've seen so many times before? These are three things that jump out at me, but I'm sure you can think of a lot of other ones. So try and think about, as you're looking at ChatGPT generated copy, okay? When you see something out there, whether it's on in an email that you've seen, a promotional email. I saw one this morning that said, say goodbye to this and say hello to this. I knew right away that that person was using ChatGPT to write their emails. And I just didn't feel, I felt a little icky about it. And that's not to mean that you can't use ChatGPT to write your stuff, but you need to make sure ChatGPT doesn't include those words, and it will find other words. So give it a shot. Tell ChatGPT to exclude certain words like next level, revolutionize, revolutionary, say goodbye to this, say hello to that, those types of things, and see if you can come up with some other words that ChatGPT uses too much. All right. See you next time.